How beautiful a child's smile. So, an artwork which gives aesthetic pleasure to all. Hello everyone. Today I'm extremely excited with this lighting box DIY. I want to make sure this video is really unique, something super fun and something I've not done before. I've been researching how to make a homemade box for making it cost effective, and now I will get into the actual process and how it is actually done. So without any further delay, let's begin. You can draw any design of your choice. Make sure they all should be different, and after that we need to cut it with the fine paper cutter. Cutting designer sheets can be quite tricky, so you need a little practice to do this act. And guys, be very careful while doing this work because it will get spoiled very quickly. After finishing the cutting part, we will remove the extra paper from the back, and then in the same manner we'll do other sheets. I have done all these 4 sheets like this. This is a tree image, and in this picture I have taken this house. And then we will take a box, and after taking this box we will put the transparent glass and stick it with the help of Fevicol. And then we will put our first sheet like this. And for giving it a 3D look, what we will do, we will put a stick of thermocol and we will stick it with the help of Fevicol, and then we will put other sheets one by one. After putting the thermocol sheet, then we will put the images, and this is how we will put all the sheets. At last, we will put this light and close it completely with cardboard. And this is how our work is done. So this 3D light box is ready now. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next time. Thank you all.